How to hang a flag without drilling.
Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore different methods to hang a flag without causing any damage to your walls, specifically without drilling. Let's dive in.
Why avoid drilling?
First off, why should you avoid drilling holes in the first place? Drilling can cause permanent damage to walls, potentially reduce property value, and if you're renting, could lead to hefty fees from your landlord. Plus, there are numerous alternatives that are just as effective.
Command strips.
One of the most popular methods out there is using command strips. These strips are adhesive on both sides and are designed for easy removal without leaving any marks. Make sure the wall and the back of the flag are clean. Press the strips onto the flag and then onto the wall. Hold for a few seconds, and you're done.
Poster putty or mounting putty.
Another effective method is poster putty or mounting putty. This is a soft, malleable putty that sticks to both the wall and the flag. Pinch off a small amount, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it. Stick these at intervals around the edge of the flag. Press the flag against the wall.
Tension rods.
If you have a window or an alcove where you want to display the flag, tension rods might be your best friend. Simply adjust the rod to the width of the space. Slide the flag onto the rod if it has eyelets or a sleeve, or use curtain clips. Then place the rod into position. The tension holds it in place without the need for screws or nails.
Magnetic paint.
For a more permanent, yet hole-free solution, consider a magnetic paint. Paint a section of your wall with this special paint. Once dry, you can use small magnets to hang the flag. This method is great for regularly changing displays or if you have multiple flags. There you have it. 4 fantastic methods to hang a flag without drilling holes. We hope you found these tips helpful, and remember, you can display your pride without damaging your walls. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.